Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, we are going to be creating some glass chains. What we're going to do to begin with is go to render, we'll go to Eevee and switch out to cycles within the render engine. Go ahead and delete your default cube and we'll go ahead and add in a torus. We're going to go and rotate this by 90 degrees. R for rotate. We'll go with S for scale just to bring this in. And all we're going to do is just create a series of basic loops. You want to go ahead as well and right click shade smooth. So let's start with this loop right here, and we'll go ahead and we'll add a material to this. So we're going to go ahead and add the glass. Now, you're going to want to work with just this one material for this particular project. So we'll switch out the principal BSDF under surface to glass BSDF, and we'll turn down this roughness right here. So now when we render, we can see that we kind of have this almost glass kind of looking piece right here. Now, if I go ahead and add underneath a plane, and we press S and just bring this out, we can now see the definition of the glass a little bit more clearer than we did prior. So what I'm going to do, let's go back to the material preview, which is in the corner right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this little link and we'll go with Shift D, bring this up. You're going to want to be able to make it so that it's not quite touching the inside right here. We'll go for R and for rotate to 90 degrees. And I'm going to take these two loops right here, hold down Shift to select them both, Shift D to bring this up, and we'll place this just on the inside right here. We're going to go ahead and select all four, holding down Shift, and Shift D to bring this up to the next level, just as such, and we'll go ahead and we'll do that again. And this is just the basic premise of how to make a glass chain. So when we hit render, we should have something like this. And we can add a few more lights in here if you'd like to, so you can press G and just bring this light across and then just improve the exposure of the light. And then we can go ahead, we can go with Shift D and we could duplicate this across to make lighting on the other side. And if you wanted to, you could go ahead and amend the colour right here to maybe a blue or something of akin, just to pop that colour just a little bit more. So yeah, this is our chain for today, and this is the tutorial for today as well, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to go ahead actually before you leave and just place some walls just at the side right here. And maybe we could bring, let's go E for extrude, and maybe we could bring some of that lighting back into that chain a little bit better. So yeah, if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. I'm trying to reach up to the YouTube partnership at the moment, so you know, any extra watch hours would be absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so please enjoy your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.